Welcome to Use Your Domain to create a new email account. A website is just one way you can put your domain name to work. You can also use your domain name to create an email account. Creating a domain-based email account for personal use provides an opportunity to express who you are with a unique address. Think about how many people named John there are in the world. Chances are, to get an email account now that includes their name, they would need to append it with their birthday, their hometown, their favorite sandwich, or a bunch of random numbers before they'd find an available email address through a free provider. For your business, using your domain for your email account gives you a professional email address that instills confidence in your customers and builds brand credibility. Before you can create your email account, you need to purchase an email package for your domain name. Your email package provides you with storage space on our servers for your messages, as well as secure file storage for any email attachments you might receive. Depending on the package you choose, Godaddy Email may also provide access to productivity tools like video conferencing and Microsoft Office 365 applications like Word and PowerPoint. Regardless of the package you choose, your new Godaddy Office 365 email account is a web-based version of Microsoft Outlook. This means you can use it to view or send email from any device, as long as you're connected to the internet. To get started creating your own email account, log into your Godaddy account and navigate to your My Products page. If your products appear in a list like this, click Manage to the right of the domain you want to use. If your domains appear as cards, just click Use My Domain. In the email field, click Setup. On this professional email screen, click the down arrow to see the email packages that Godaddy offers. Select the one you want, and then select the term that works best for you. Now click Buy. Once you complete your purchase, you'll receive a confirmation email that walks you through the setup for your email account. You can have multiple email addresses, which can be especially useful for businesses. For example, the owner of the dog-friendly winery, Molly's Bark and Wine, has 3 unique addresses in the email account she created for her domain name: a personal account, an account for general inquiries, and an account for customers interested in hosting an event at her winery. So in addition to making her business look professional, her email accounts help her better manage business-related correspondence. Got a unique domain? Why not use it for a unique email address?